Anyways, so I was like, let me create a listing that obviously cannot have the word Demon Slayer as a phrase anywhere in it, because I'd be violating trademarks. And I'm just curious. I just want to play around. Do some of these Maldives honeymoon strategies work for that when I can't even optimize my listing? I don't have Demon Slayer in my title at all. Can't have that. But then I'll have like a bullet point or something that says, if you want to be a demon, like a demon party planner or something, and you want to give away some cool merch, and then somewhere else, hey, you want to be known as the Slayer who gives away the coolest merch at your anime parties. Also, in other words, I was trying to get index for demon and Slayer, because if I can get index for those two words individually, I'll be indexed, theoretically speaking, for Demon Slayer as a phrase. And sure enough, I did it. It worked. But oh man, it was like impossible to get Amazon to say I'm relevant. So this just goes back to show how important SEO is. And an interesting thing, I was trying everything. I was like doing Q&As and stuff, trying to get more relevant. Now, one interesting thing is, in Rufus, I tried to do something where I asked it a question like, you can see this here in the image. Is it good for looking like Tanjiro at a Demon Slayer party? Okay. So I wanted to see, does Rufus know that my listing is about Demon Slayer, right? And sure enough, it says, yes, this fan is themed for Demon Slayer. So I'm like, cool. I tricked, or not tricked, or maybe it's a matter of Rufus being smart to figure out that even though I don't use the word Demon Slayer, it knows that this is like Demon Slayer, because it says this fan is themed for Demon Slayer and can be used at a party of a Tanjiro costume for an anime party. All right. So, but this just kind of shows how Rufus is different than SEO, because just because it said that, I still wasn't ranking very well for those keywords. So when you're optimizing for Rufus and you're optimizing for SEO, do not think these are one and the same things. You could be optimized for SEO, but not optimized for Rufus. You could be optimized for Rufus where it can figure it out, but you're not optimized for SEO. So this was kind of like a cool way to kind of like prove that theory, but also to show that, hey, Rufus is pretty smart. Even though I didn't use the word Demon Slayer, it could like look at the pictures, I guess, and because of the rest of the way I worded the listings, like seen through my little tricks to not violate trademarks and figure out that it's about Demon Slayer. So that's another cool project that I'm working on as well.